eh? Always look good. We'll be on GoPro. We're on GoPro now.
We always do.
Bell check. Oh, I should have let a little bit out, hey?
Yeah.
60's a bit rough. I don't know what that is, but let's try that. 5 hours on the G train. All going.
Oh.
Let me just test out my wheel.
Ooh.
Spongy. Not too spongy.
Not too spongy?
I don't know. I'm easily peer influenced by you boys, so whatever. I'll just blame it on you. If you got it on video, you talking me out of it.
What did you just pump your tyres up to?
60?
I went 40.
30.
I reckon I should let a little bit down.
Yeah, I reckon that's pretty. It's going to be in gravel all day, that's going to... Sweet.
Running through the last of my thoughts. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm
Pretty cool.
How sketchy would have been if they just sent you straight across.
never been before. Yeah, baby, I'm freer than I ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm freer than I ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm freer than I ever been before. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright.
So we're halfway. Just wait for this. Yeah, we're just under halfway to the pool.
Thanks for recording me fixing it up. No, I think we'll be right.
Actually, you're right. Is that what? How big's the hole?
Let's go!
Freer than I ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
You might need a bit more. Get her up to fresh and just start riding, I reckon.
Guys, we'll be here all day. This is the type of scenario we talked about.
Yeah.
Huh? Dirt in there. It's not mine, mate, eh?
So
Did you bring him?
So we pumped it up. You put that in your pocket, do 600 watts for 20 minutes and it should fix it.
Only 20 minutes. On a gravel road.
Don't work.
So what you want to do, Brent, is that's it. Put it on the inside there.
Is this the educational video?
That's it, mate. Put it on the inside. Yeah, use a bit of force. Put it in there. That's it.
I'm using your drink bottles to wash my hands.
Please.
Should I title this video How to Fix a Tube 101 with the Pro?
Yeah. Bring someone that works in the mines, does it all for you.
That's why I've got a bar bag.
Let's not start about the bar bag.
You're right. Don't need anything else.
Turns out we do need something else. A better mechanic, because the guy that changed mine last time apparently didn't do a good job.
This guy's not going to be doing much this time.
That's rock hard through that tyre.
That's probably not a good thing too, it's not a pliable one. But we'll be right, just stick it to the end of the line.
Are we back or what?
We are back! We are back! We are back!
Cause I know what it takes. Break down the door, I wanna feel the pain. You can't stop me.
This is a stitch up.
What did you just pump your tyres up to?
60?
I went 40.
30.
I reckon I should let a little bit down.